Do you know why this dragonfly is special in Japan, even though it's common and widespread around the world? It's called the wandering glider, also known as the globe skimmer. In Japan, it's called Usubaki tombo. They arrive in spring and are especially abundant during the summer months, coinciding with Obon, a traditional Japanese festival and ritual mainly observed from August 13th to 16th, when families honor and welcome the spirits of their ancestors. These dragonflies are part of one of the longest insect migrations on Earth, with swarms traveling thousands of kilometers. More than just incredible travelers, these insects are deeply connected to the spirits of ancestors during Obon. In some parts of Japan, they're called Seirei Tombo or Shoryo Tombo, meaning spirit dragonflies. People believe they carry the spirits of the departed during Obon. There is no rule that children cannot catch them, but children are taught to respect these dragonflies because of this. So, this Ubon season, when you see an Usubaki tombo flying nearby, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable creatures, carrying both natural wonder and rich cultural tradition on their delicate wings.